reflection. I told you I'd show you the inside of this. I got the right key, so let's go on in. All right, so I didn't install the pool. We had a foundation poured and had the pool set in place, and I built everything around it. So we have a nice amount of stacked stone on the walls, a beautiful niche with some remote control lights over there to turn on. Currently the cover is off of the attic access because we're gonna spray insulation in there. That's all we got left. It's got heated floors, humidity controlled fans, extra heaters. Again, privacy tint on the windows. Because this is an assisted living home, this acts as an exercise place. We also have a whole full fire system in here. And then my customer is going to have plants in here, and he wants to be able to grow year round because Alaska is pretty cold. So we installed can lights with LED grow bulbs in them. So not only does it give you a nice lighting in here, but it'll help all his plants grow. So at this end of the pool, where I enclosed it all and incorporated all and waterproof all, I built him a waterproof planter. He's gonna have a TV on this wall. I put electrical in the ceiling for that. I have a planter here with some jasmine and some good smelling spices to keep this room smelling fantastic. Sorry, my phone is going in and out of focus. I was just outside in the pouring rain, if you saw my previous video. We have a nice little platform for here, which it wasn't really needed, but it doubles as his crawl space access and storage and access to his motor to his pool. So I incorporated into this deck with a removable lid, which is completely waterproofed as well. We have some nice tile on the floor that has concrete board down with all the seams mudded and taped, and the concrete board is thin setted down, and then we have a waterproof membrane that is actually on the entire floor, on every part of the walls and the ceiling. And then we used a very high scrubbability enamel paint to keep dirt and moisture down. We set all the tile on top of it. Along the edge of this pool, behind all that wood, there is flashing that comes up so water can't go any further. There's waterproof edging all the way around all the corners, all the way 4 feet up in all the corners, behind all the stone. And then we did some cedar trim that is sealed after it was browned with some vinegar, and everything came together nicely. Like I said, I took about 3 months on this job. I did it from start to finish. The only thing left is to blow some insulation in the ceiling, and we were just waiting for our final inspection on the electrical. So again, YouTubers, I'm Rick with Dynamic Interiors. I'm a professional remodeler in Anchorage, Alaska, and I look forward to sharing some do-it-yourself videos, some beautiful photos of my family and my home, and you know, the landscaping around Alaska. And maybe if you're lucky, you'll get to hear me cuss and moan a little bit about being out in the freezing cold, or like today in the rain where I'm building a chicken coop. And I'll leave you guys with another beautiful outside view of this man's garden. Look forward to hearing from you on the comments, like and subscribe.